In this video, I want to talk to you about the Juki TL2000. The TL2000 is the beginning model in the TL series with Juki. The entire model number is TL2000Qi. This particular machine is used for garment construction and is really popular with quilters. So let's talk to you about the general features of this machine. So let me talk to you about the overall features of this machine. The TL2000 is a semi-commercial machine. The entire body of the machine is metal. It is a very easy machine to thread. We have a telescopic thread stand here that we can raise and lower. We have two spool pins on the machine. This particular machine will allow us to use the bigger mini cones of quilting thread if we want to, or you can use smaller size spools. Threading is very easy on this particular machine. There's not a lot to it. When we get down to our needle, we do have a built-in needle threader on the machine. The tension adjustment is right here for us, real easy. On the right side of the machine, I can adjust my stitch length here. I do have a scissor that will snip that bobbin and top thread for me at any given time, and then I have needle up, needle down. And here is my reverse. The TL2000 is very popular with quilters because I can lower the feed dogs. And then I'm able to do free motion quilting, or if you decide you want to eventually get a quilting frame, this machine will fit quite nicely on a quilting frame. Do check our website out because there are a few models of the TL series. There are differences, and we can recommend for you between the TL series which machine will be right for the type of application you're wanting to do, because there are some differences. There are no differences in quality, however. Juki makes an excellent product. This particular machine, from your needle to the inside of the sewing arm, is 8 3/4 inches. I have a big bed on the machine. It's very comfortable sewing at. So if I'm doing free motion stippling, or if I'm working with a larger piece of material, I have plenty of room in my throat space here in which to sew. It does come with a big extension table. It's made for this model to slide around the machine, so I have extra support under my fabric here if I'm doing free motion work. We'll have a knee lift lever right on the front here. It does come with that. I just plug that in the machine here, and I'm able to use my right leg to raise and lower my presser foot for free motion, or you can just use the lever behind here. So let's start sewing on the machine and show you just what this machine can do. Because this machine is semi-commercial, there are longer feed dogs on this particular machine. It can handle sewing, heavier materials. If you're into needing several layers, I mean, this machine can handle 8 or 10 layers of denim with no problem whatsoever. If you're going to do something like an upholstery, vinyl, that type of thing, it can handle doing that very easily. See how smooth the machine sews? I get to the end, I can hit reverse to do my back tacking, and if I press my heel onto the foot control, it actually will engage the scissor for me, so I don't have to reach over here and touch that. Here I'm going to do 8 layers of denim. I have enough room to get under that presser foot, and I can easily sew through all that with no problem. We'll go up to 1,500 stitches per minute. I do have a little razor on the side of the machine to clip the threads. The way the feed dog system on it is, it can handle different types of materials. This is a slick vinyl with a spongy backing. If you're doing, say, upholstery on car seat, truck seat, a boat, that type of thing, we'll be able to do that with this machine as well. And it just hums right along. Because it's a semi-commercial machine, don't let that fool you. I'm working with a stretchy piece of material here. I'm going to show you that the feed dogs on this particular machine can handle even delicate fabrics, and we don't have to worry about it chewing them up. If you have a problem with the lighter weight piece of material, I can adjust the pressure, the amount of force being pressed down onto my fabric right here, just by turning that dial. Ken Sewing Center is an authorized Juki dealer. We've been a Juki dealer over 20 years now. Feel free, if you have any questions about any of the TL series machines, or need us to compare this machine to any other, we're here to help you. We're just an email or phone call away.